Montana U.S. Senators Steve Daines and Tim Sheehy were among the 52 Republicans who voted Sunday night for the latest agreement intended to reopen the federal government. They were joined by 8 Democrats, clearing the 60-vote threshold required to start moving the agreement forward. In a statement to MTN, Sheehy said the Democrats who advanced the deal were finally doing the right thing. He said, quote, "I look forward to reopening the government, restoring badly needed common sense in D.C., and getting back to work for the American people." Daines said in a statement that, quote, "This is the exact same deal Republicans proposed a month ago, proving that this truly is a Democrat shutdown that could have ended before our troops and federal employees missed their paychecks, before thousands of Americans were stranded by flight cancellations, and before families on SNAP struggled to put food on the table." Montana's 2 U.S. House members, Republican Congressman Ryan Zinke and Troy Downing, will be on their way back to Washington, D.C., with the House expecting votes on an agreement later this week. On social media, Zinke said lawmakers could have, quote, "avoided all that pain if Democrats had agreed to advance Republicans' continuing resolution in September. He said, quote, "Americans from all stripes had their vital government services slowed or stopped. Billions of dollars hit to our economy for nothing." Congressional Democrats argued the shutdown lasted as long as it did because Republicans hadn't been willing to negotiate with them on issues like extending subsidies for health care plans under the Affordable Care Act. Meanwhile, after a back-and-forth series of federal court rulings, the Montana Department of Public Health and Human Services announced Monday that it had advanced partial SNAP nutrition benefits to clients. The federal government is currently advising states to only issue 65% of the typical maximum benefits for November.
Somebody who has SNAP, their allotment for a day is anywhere between $5 and $6. What's 65% of that? Is that enough? And it would be different if there was a reason, but Montana has the money.
State Representative Mary Cafaro of Helena is one of a group of Democratic lawmakers who announced over the weekend that they'd submit a petition asking for a special session to use state money to assist with SNAP. With Congress moving toward a possible end to the shutdown, Cafaro says they'll hold off on the petition for now, but she remains frustrated.
The crisis didn't happen today. It isn't going to happen whenever Congress gets their acts together. It isn't going to happen when we get a special session. We're already 10 days into it.
In Helena, Jonathan Amberian, MTN News.